Finding the correct shadow is an engaging and educational game designed specifically for kids and children to enhance their memory, concentration, and visual skills while having loads of fun. Being a teacher, I always use these worksheets. This is one of the cognitive tasks that I have to teach to my students. So, simulan na natin. I have here already made some finding the correct shadow worksheets, and now I have to share it to you. I just have to repeat the first finding the correct shadow worksheet that I made here in the slide 1. So let's just clear all of it. Let us first achieve the design above. So first insert a rectangle. Just make sure to cover the above part and then remove outline. Insert circle, remove outline, change color, Ctrl D to duplicate. Select all the circles and then just click arrow left. Okay, now press Ctrl and click the rectangle. Then go to shape format, merge shapes, and union. That's it. Insert another small rectangle to give a contrast to this design. Choose a color that is darker than that of the other one. Remove the outline. You can adjust this one like that. Insert text box. Alright, find the correct shadow. Ctrl A. Find the font style that you like. Then change the color to white. Change the font size. That's it, we're done with that. And then for the picture, you just have to download from Google and find some free downloadable pictures. So after downloading, now here, go to insert pictures, device. Here it is. So downloading, you have to choose the PNG so that there is no background on the picture. So that's it. We need 4 shadows for the students to choose. So let's just duplicate this one. Before duplicating this one into 4, go to corrections, then go to picture correction options. Just adjust the brightness to -100%. And then it's now ready for duplication. There you go. Now you can now duplicate this one and move it downwards to have 4 options. Now if you click all of them, you can clearly see that they're not aligned to each other. Like the first one here is not aligned to the third one, so we are going to click it one by one, like the first picture and this one. Then go to align and align left. Okay, and also this one, align right. Okay, so how are we going to make some distinction? Just we need some shapes to insert in order for us to remove some parts or maybe add some parts. So as we look at here, correct answer is number 2. What is something in number 1 that makes it incorrect? I just inserted a small circle in this part. So let's just go to insert circle, and then there. just make it smaller and be sure to fit to this area. You just use the arrow to make it more convenient to move. Yeah, remove the outline and then change it, the color to black, and then that's it. You already have now the distinction. So as you look at here, what makes it incorrect is the little tail right here. So what are we going to do is just insert a triangle and change the color, and then let's rotate it to 90 degrees, and then let's make it a little bit smaller. That would appear like this. You can group that one so that it won't be moved separately. Now, let's go to number 4. What's different here is one leg here is missing. So how are we going to do the one? Then we're just going to go to insert here and then go this freeform shape. We need to make it a little bit bigger so that we can clearly see. So zoom out and then start creating that one. So it seems like that we are taking out this one. Okay, and now we're not coloring it black because we're gonna blend the color to the background to appear that the one leg is missing. Now it's gone. Okay, we're almost done. And now we are going to insert these numbers. Okay, go to insert, go to icons, and then just scroll down, and then you can see the numbers right here, 1 2 3 4, because there are only 4 choices that we made. So it's here. Let's change the color because it's blended on the shadows of the bees, and the size is I think 1.5 centimeters. So we can just type in here. Yeah, it's automatically change into 1.5 by 1.5. So let's just get them one by one. So this is 4. This is 3. If you move that one, there are lines that will come out, and it will help you to make this object aligned with 4 and aligned also with the pictures. So you can follow that one. Okay, and then right here the 2, so you can also assure that it's aligned with 4. So as you can see here, there are grades coming out, which means that it's already aligned with number 2 and aligned with number 3. So that's gonna be perfect. Now you can change the color according to your preferred color. So that's it. We're all done.